Hello, everyone. Riding your bike at night can be incredibly dangerous if you cannot see the road ahead or if passing cars cannot see you in the dark. Today on Tech Can Go, we are checking out the best LED bicycle headlight to keep you completely safe on the road. Let's get started. Here we have the Gearlight LED Bicycle Headlight set. This complete front and rear lighting system is brilliantly designed to massively enhance safety and visibility for cyclists during night rides and low light conditions. When you are out on your bike, visibility is the most important factor for your overall safety. Instead of just giving you a front light, this package includes a highly powerful front light paired perfectly with a matching rear light. This dual system ensures that riders can clearly see the road ahead while simultaneously remaining completely visible to others approaching from behind. Whether you are cycling on busy city streets, quiet dirt trails, or neighborhood bike paths after sunset, this fantastic set provides highly reliable illumination for a very wide range of environments. Let us dive into the actual brightness and performance of the Gearlight LED Bicycle Headlight. The main attraction here is the incredibly powerful 400 lumen LED headlight. Having a 400 lumen LED light on the front of your bike is a massive game changer. It cuts right through the darkness, casting a wide and clear beam that allows you to spot dangerous potholes and uneven pavement well before you reach them. This gives you plenty of time to react, making your ride much smoother and significantly safer. The bright LED technology ensures the light output is crisp and consistent. On the back end, the included rear light shines brightly to catch the attention of drivers, creating a protective safety bubble around your bicycle. One of the absolute best conveniences of the Gearlight LED Bicycle Headlight set is the power source. Both the front and rear lights are equipped with high-quality built-in rechargeable batteries. They offer incredibly convenient USB charging, which completely eliminates the frustrating need for frequent and expensive battery replacements. You can easily plug these lights directly into your computer, a wall adapter, or a portable power bank to juice them up. This amazing convenience makes the entire set perfectly suitable for daily commuting to work, recreational weekend rides, and keeping kids' bicycles safe without constantly buying new batteries. Versatility is another huge benefit of the Gearlight LED Bicycle Headlight. The main headlight features 5 different lighting modes, allowing riders to easily adjust the brightness and flashing patterns based entirely on their current surroundings and specific riding conditions. If you are riding through a pitch-black park, you can use the highest, steady beam for maximum visibility. If you are riding down a well-lit city street, switching to a flashing mode is an excellent way to grab a driver's attention quickly. The rear light also includes multiple visibility modes to drastically increase awareness for any vehicles approaching from behind. When it comes to getting this gear onto your bike, the installation process is wonderfully quick and completely hassle-free. Gearlight designed this set with a fantastic tool-free universal mounting system. You absolutely do not need any screwdrivers or special mechanical skills to attach these lights. They can be securely attached to almost all types of bicycles in a matter of seconds. Whether you ride a sleek aerodynamic road bike, a rugged mountain bike, or a modern e-bike, the mounts hold the lights tightly in place. Furthermore, the quick-release design means the lights can be easily removed when it is time to take them inside to recharge. Durability is incredibly important for any outdoor cycling gear, and the Gearlight LED Bicycle Headlight is built to last. The main body is constructed with a highly durable combination of premium aluminum and tough plastic. This means the lights are perfectly designed to withstand regular outdoor use and the constant vibrations of riding over rough terrain. Plus, you never have to worry about the weather ruining your ride. This set boasts an impressive IPX4 water-resistant rating. This IPX4 rating ensures completely reliable performance even in rainy or wet conditions, making them a highly dependable choice for dedicated cyclists who ride in unpredictable weather. With its perfect balance of intense brightness, versatility, and rugged durability, this bike light set truly supports much safer riding experiences. This incredibly bright lighting set is an absolute must-have to completely upgrade your nighttime cycling safety. Check the price link in the description to pick up a set for your own bicycle today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome gear videos just like this one. Thanks so much for hanging out, and we will see you next time.